Yes guys, welcome to DS from the Lifestyle Vlog, guys. So I am actually here at work. It's like 3:30 in the morning and we are getting another hit in southwestern Ontario here with snowfall again, guys. You know, this has been going on all week, guys. Look at the mountains and mountains of snow that pile up, guys. Really high, you know, really high, guys, really high. If you guys can see here, it is actually where they shovel out. Here is almost a foot or more, right, of the snow, guys. Trust me, this ain't no joke, guys, you know. And I'm gonna go over here and actually show you guys, you know, the amount of snow that's been falling, guys. So if you take a look at this here, look how deep it is, guys. This is the amount of snow that we get. This is where the snow plow come in here, try to clear it, you know. One of the exit door here, guys, you know, look how high it is up to the door there, guys. This ain't no joke, guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe to DS from the Lifestyle Vlog. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are doing great over here, guys. So yes, guys, this is it, you know, winter wonderland.